What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So quick story, when I was in college, my fourth job, yes I've had a lot of jobs, was working at a smoothie store and I made smoothies all summer long. So I love having smoothies in the morning. Not only is it great for your body, but it's a great way to wake up your body and your digestive system and to get a lot of fruit and vegetables right into your body first thing in the morning. I love smoothies because if you're not a breakfast person, this is a great way to just take in all the nutrients that you need to kickstart your day, but also it's really easy, fast, and you can have the energy that you need for your day. I do not drink any coffee or soda, so typically the only things that I drink are smoothies. Now, I typically drink protein shakes, and so I have a video on all of the protein smoothies that I usually make, but today I wanted to show you 7 recipes that do not require protein powder, and I'm gonna tell you everything that you need so that you can create and drink these smoothies every single day of the week. One for every day, so 7. I do have a shopping list for you, but basically everything that you see here is what you're going to need for your entire week. I will put the shopping list right over here. There are a few optional items. I am going to add it because I already have it at home. I don't want you to feel like you have to go out of your way to purchase more things. All right, it's smoothie time with Maya. Wow, it's been a while since I said that. You do need a blender. It does not matter which one, but I use a Vitamix because the Vitamix is just the most heavenly blender I've ever used. It is completely worth the investment because it chops up everything to the smoothest consistency possible. But I've used a Magic Bullet, a NutriBullet, and a Ninja Bullet before. But with the Vitamix, my kale, my spinach, and everything is just wow, you don't even know it's there. But it's still possible without the Vitamix. Okay, let's get started.
The first smoothie is a FODMAP smoothie. Long story short, it's basically a great way to take care of your gut. You're going to need 1 cup of cashew milk or almond milk or any type of milk you want. Then 1 cup of frozen pineapple. A half cup of baby spinach. A 1/4 cup of yogurt. I use dairy-free vanilla Greek yogurt, but you can use any yogurt you want. 2 tablespoons of dried shredded coconut. A half tablespoon of chia seeds. Then blend everything together. And then 4 large ice cubes. And then blend it up until it's all smooth. And then ta-da! You have your gut-friendly smoothie to drink in the morning. The next smoothie is called a detox smoothie. Your body already does a phenomenal job of detoxing toxins naturally. But it doesn't hurt to try to give your body an extra boost. We're going to start off with 1 cup of coconut water, or you can use regular water. You're going to need 1 medium green apple with the skin on and then dice it. Then we're going to need 1 small raw red beet that's been peeled and diced. I just cut off the skin and was able to throw in the chunks. Then you're going to need half a cup of frozen strawberries, half a cup of frozen pineapple, half of a small avocado pitted and peeled, 1 cup of baby spinach, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and then a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. I know it looks like a lot of different colors, but that's what we want. We want to be able to see a diverse amount of fruits and vegetables to give us the nutrients that we need. And voila, here is our drink. Now remember, red beets have a very earthy taste, so be mindful of that. Literally one of my most favorite juice smoothies is this green juice. It does have lime and cilantro, but I love limes. Here we go. You are going to need a half cup of coconut water. I did try it with regular water, but it didn't taste the same. A half cup of frozen pineapple chunks, half a frozen banana, half an inch of fresh ginger, peeled and minced, 1 green apple that's been diced, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. I just cut a little bit and squeezed it everywhere, and then a small handful of fresh cilantro. Then we blend everything up until everything is smooth. Of course, with my Vitamix, it's able to blend really quickly and look like this. Another beet smoothie, but this one's slightly different. Beets contain a lot of nutrients for our bodies to take in, so this beet smoothie is a great way to jumpstart your day. You're going to need a half cup of unsweetened almond milk or milk of your choice, 1 small beet that's been peeled and diced, about 8 ounces, 1 cup of mixed frozen blueberries or mixed berries, a 4th cup of frozen pineapple, and then a 4th cup of yogurt, and I'm going to use the same yogurt that I used earlier. We then blend everything up, and mine was able to blend very quickly, and then we pour it into a cup. This one is slightly more purple from the mixed berries, which give us a lot of antioxidants. Another gut healthy smoothie, but this time it includes healthy fats, aka an avocado. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of coconut water, 1/2 of a frozen banana, and then I'm going to add a 4th cup of frozen pineapples. Then we're going to add a tiny bit of ginger for that extra kick. 2 tablespoons of an avocado, but really you can just add as much as you want. And then just a tiny squeeze of lime. I ended up using some leftover from the previous smoothies. And then you want to add a probiotic powder to your smoothies. If you don't have a probiotic powder, I can link mine below, but you can really use any type of probiotics in your smoothies. It's tasteless and it's a great way to help your gut. Then we blend all of that together. And again, if you are not taking any type of probiotic, it's really essential for our bodies to be able to fight off all of the bad bacteria. And voila, here is a very delicious green smoothie with some avocado that's going to help your gut. This is a very light juice smoothie that I saw on Instagram, and I'll link the source here, but I loved how many fruits and vegetables it had, and it really makes a good balance. This is enough for 2 people, so you can save the other half in a jar or share it with someone else. You're going to need the juice of 1 lemon. I know that sounds like a lot, but because it is for 2 people, just think of it as lemonade. So I was able to squeeze as much lemon juice out of my big lemon, and then half a big orange. And then you want to add some frozen kale and a little frozen spinach. I also threw in a little bit of ginger and then half of a cucumber. I then added 1 green apple. I then added some hemp seeds for omega-3 and then a little bit of black pepper. We add a dash of turmeric. Yes, this one has a lot of spices. And then we're going to add a little bit of honey to sweeten it up. This is completely optional, but you can add some flax seeds for extra fiber, even though this contains a lot of fiber already. Next, we're going to add half of a frozen banana, and then I ended up putting enough coconut water to cover all of our fruits and vegetables. Last but not least, we are going to add another probiotic powder into our drink so that we are able to help our gut. This is definitely on the watery side, that's why I called it a juice smoothie. Drinking this first thing in the morning can help boost your metabolism and get your day going. Last but not least, if you actually want to chew on something in the morning, this chia seed pudding is a healthy and nutritious treat. It does need about 1 to 2 hours to thicken, and you can also leave it overnight. This is what I'd eat in college all the time. You are going to need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of oat milk. You can definitely use almond milk or any milk that you have. Then I'm going to add a dash of ground cinnamon. Okay, maybe more than a dash, but I love cinnamon. You can also add some honey if you want to, and then go ahead and stir everything up as best as you can, and we're gonna put it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight. After it's been cooled, you're going to open it and see that it becomes very thick. I know it looks kind of funny, but it tastes really good. You can create a little parfait by pouring a little bit into a cup and then adding some Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to add some blueberries on top. You can add any fruit that you want and then drizzle some honey on top. Of course, you can have way more than I am, but I already had a juice this morning.
Thank you so much for joining me on my smoothie journey recipes, and I really hope that you guys get to try it. And also know that you can of course have breakfast along with your smoothie, but I just like to drink my smoothie because it makes me feel like it's easy to digest and it really jumpstarts my metabolism. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!